Ki don Saupho Perton ki bor pulit naka sorkar pedeng ki Central Armed Police Force ban pahara ya ke election MP haka jala Meghalaya ban penyat bet ya renti ya ke election Lok Sabha kaban long haka khat khandai tarik ya yong haba kran menta ka shi tarik ya yong arajar arpusaw u Chief Electoral Officer u Dr. BDR Tiwari ula ong baka jala kala yo hadu Saupho Perton ki CAPF na ke Election Commission of India ban pahara ya ke election ki badan lupa haka jala kilong San Perton ki CAPF u Tiwari ula pentip ru baka tenat penyat election kala dep ban pen kre lut nadong shadong ban pen dikna baka election kalong ka bayat bet ya renti klam kanu kanu gajing thot u CEO u klam iPad ya gajing don ki polling station ki badan jingma ban ki bala ban pen mi jing kulmar ya ki bala dep ban ithu namar bakala ban kala ula pentip bagi ladon artli ki jing ujor habede baka jing pen ken ya ki kendon ka model code of conduct bat yakini la ban pan jing tip na ki deputy commissioner ule thu baki artali ki jing ujor ki dei ki bala yo pedang lengba ka si vigil bat la debru ban bishar yaki
We have received a communication to have 40 CAPF companies for the state. So 5 companies are already there in place. So most of the companies, once they arrive, then they will be deployed accordingly as per the plan. With all concerned departments at level of chief secretary with us. So from election side, we have taken up all the issues, and CS has issued instruction to all concerned department, and accordingly matter has already been taken up. Progress is happening, and whichever polling station is not properly electrified, so temporary connections will be provided by the MECL before the poll. So around 15, 16 as per decided by the DCs, so all the places will have the electricity connection. Some issues related to the proper lighting inside the thing, so that from our end we have already separately communicated to the DCs. Moreover, most of the polling station except around 11% polling station are having permanent toilets. So all the functionality of the toilets will be ensured, and moreover the work is going on to cover more and more, but if it will not be covered by that time wherever, so temporary toilet facilities will also be provided, and similarly for the water availability also in all the polling stations. So all these things CS has taken up a review and instructed all concerned departments. One major aspect is there in view of the forthcoming rainy season, and there are incidents of the cyclone, storm, etc. So concerned department, mostly the polling stations are in the schools. So education department and the revenue disaster management department has accordingly instructed at the level of the chief secretary sir to do all the necessary arrangement for ensuring festive, facilitative and free fair election and all facilities in the polling stations. As you are aware, the assured minimum facilities are covering the drinking water, ramp, toilet facilities, electricity, necessary furnitures and signages. So all those to be in the place at the time of poll. Moreover, in view of the rain, the approach road, etc., then emergency operations, all the concerned people, so the concerned department have to make the necessary arrangement and preparedness, so the movement should not be hampered, and moreover the queue whatever will be in the polling station, then rain shelter, some set arrangement, waterproof, all those arrangements also to be ensured. We are taking up through the deputy commissioners. No such a tense and disturbed polling station in the state. all the needful arrangement are already been taken up, and so border related issues are also being taken, and for that ECI is also issued the needful instruction, and we are state authorities in concern with the neighboring states across the country. It is a very dynamic figure. Mostly those things based on the situational, so it's a dynamic figure in respect to the vulnerable and critical polling stations that were disposed within time. So whatever complaint has come and has come to the DC, and they have already disposed of. As per the MCC, all these local area funds for the honorable public representatives, it will not be executed, but government has own revenue and disaster management department, so all the relief and other work will be taken up through the certification already been taken up. It was in the process, and that tag has been done. So it's not in any new thing. It is the government of India and all together for all the states. It is not specific any scheme. So it is as per the process. The GI tag is a very long process. So we already assessed, and this assessment has been done by all the districts at the ground level. Accordingly, the polling stations has been proposed. So mostly within the distance of the 2 kilometer, and other the geographical challenges already been taken into consideration while the polling station has been worked out. So accordingly, you would see from the previous year we had the assembly elections, and state has 3,482 polling stations. Now we are having 3,512 polling stations. So those things has been worked out based on all those challenges, keeping in mind, and 32 new polling stations, while 2 polling stations are being merged with each other. So all those things arrangement already been considered in advance. To drones also. So mostly we see somewhere, if we do some publicity and other than wide area coverage while the polling dispatch etc. is there. Otherwise, normally, or if there will be any law and order aspect also, then up to some extent within the instructions of the ECI, those are being looked into. But mostly, I am not that gone through in where the up to hot extent the drone is being used, and we have not worked out any such complete workout in respect to the use of drones. Area, there are we engage the micro observers for the monitoring, and videography has been done. For the communication, runners are also being engaged. So all those VHF sets are also being provided for the faster communication. So as per the protocol and SOP, the needful arrangements are being already taken up the needful instruction with all the expenditure monitoring agencies, either state or central. But the cash carrying limit is already there. So as per the ECI instruction, but still the genuine cash. So if somebody is having some time carrying more than the limit and it has been, so they should not carry, because as per the mandate, most of the business and all other activity, but they have to produce the proof at that time. There are the genuine proof and all those things. So there is one standard procedure also been identified by the ECI. So accordingly, action has been taken. The Green Election Initiative from the end of Honorable Election Commission of India. So Meghalaya being very largely a green state, and now whether is also very conducive for the plantation. So we are taking a larger plantation drive and to make these elections green and rememberable. So each polling station we are going to plant 2 saplings, and those will be planted by the first male voter and first female voter. So we already taken up the matter with the forest department. They will provide the sufficiently grown saplings, and polling party will carry along with all those things in the proper bags, eco-friendly bags. So the needful arrangement for the plantation, including the protecting those saplings, are also been placed.
Will it be only a gesture because we
These are the within the school premises. So we have taken up the matter with the education department for upkeep and maintenance of all those plants. And similarly, we have 5,790. That is 164% of the VVPAT. So machines are quite insufficient numbers. So those training EVMs are kept as reserve. The list that is being freed on last day of nomination. Till that time, we have received the online application and processed it was. But on that 27th, on the day of last day of nomination, the voter list has been freed, and as per the final voter list, now we are having 22,26,567 total voters. 99,517 male voters, and 11,27,047 female voters, and 3 transgender voters. 884 total service electors. Flying squad in each constituency, and static surveillance teams are also 3 per AC, and video teams are also 3. So altogether 9 teams are there. Video surveillance, static surveillance, and flying squad. So urban apathy and youth apathy, these are the 2 basic challenges what we face during our election time. So we have done the turnout implementation plan up to the booth level, and the most of the polling station having lower voting percentage or decrease in the voting. All other aspects we have worked out, and we plan our strategy as per the polling booth, as per the ACs and the district wise. So grassroots level institutions like Darbar, schools, and other social institutions are also we are partnering with, and all the strategies being worked out, and moreover through the media, through our volunteers, BLOs, the intensive exercise and activities at the grassroots level, it is already ongoing. So we are very confident to have with this TIP. So it is very elaborate, and I am confident that up to larger extent we will be able to come over those apathies